Reading Pioneers is proud to present Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Coulier, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up, had the hiccups. Took a shower, brushed his teeth, polished his bones, carved a pumpkin, raked some leaves, played with Ghost, Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down. Ghost made a face, said "Boo" to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror, held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray! Welcome back, readers, and thanks for reading along with us to the story of Skeleton Hiccups. What did you think of the story? Comment below your solutions to having the hiccups. Maybe it will help Skeleton next time. If you enjoyed this story, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep up to date with all future stories, especially Halloween ones. To continue this Halloween treat, here are some other Halloween-related stories that I think you'll enjoy as well. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for today's video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.